Hi, this is Marcelo, and I recently completed a series of 6 PRF sessions at Blossom Dental in Ormond Beach, Florida with Dr. Huda Aljonaidy and her amazing team. If you're not familiar with PRF, it stands for Platelet-Rich Fibrin. It's a treatment method that utilizes our own blood to enhance the healing and regeneration of tissues. It's similar to PRP, platelet-rich plasma, but it's better because it contains a complex fibrin matrix which expedites the healing process, so it's more powerful. So now, why did I personally get it done? First of all, I'm a big fan of autologous forms of treatment, meaning that our body's own biological materials are used instead of external, possibly synthetic materials. Personally, I just think that it's healthier and safer for me because it is much less likely for my body to react in a negative way as it possibly could with a foreign substance. So it's a more natural, a safer way for me to age a little bit more gracefully, because now that I'm in my late 40s, why not, right? I started noticing that my hairline was getting a little thinner, my facial hair was patchy, but most importantly, an issue that I have been dealing with for many years is rosacea. My skin would get red and irritated, especially around my cheeks, my nose, and sometimes even my forehead. And I would also get these tiny little dots everywhere that looked like pimples, but they really weren't. It was just very uncomfortable and annoying. And yes, I'm aware that skin issues usually stem from gut issues, so I got microbiome tests done to figure out which foods were actually good for my own personal system and which foods I needed to stay away from. And this definitely helped, but my skin issues never fully went away. This has been the first time in years that I have gone months without any major skin issues from my rosacea at all. My hairline has improved, my facial hair follicles have gotten healthier, and overall my skin has been feeling amazing. The procedure is simple. I'll give you a quick rundown. Once you arrive at your appointment, they apply BLT, which is a numbing cream, over your face just to reduce any possible discomfort. They then draw blood from your arm. For me, they collected 6 vials of blood, and then those vials are put into a centrifuge that separates the components of your blood, and that is how the PRF is harvested. That PRF is then injected in whatever places you specifically may need, and after the injections are done, some of that PRF is topically applied to your skin, and then they go over it with a microneedling machine. And that's it. Your face will definitely be a little red for several hours, but don't worry, you won't be in pain. It just looks a little worse than what it actually is. I personally recommend this procedure, whether it's for aging purposes, for your hair growth, or for skin conditions as I had. It is safe and it works. And Dr. Huda and her entire team at Blossom Dental are simply amazing. They really go out of their way to make sure that you are comfortable, and their attention to detail is top notch.